Hi Francesco, I'm your AI physics tutor. Today we'll learn about the freezing point of water, what it means, why it happens, and some cool real-life examples. Let's get started. Hey there! The unit for electric resistance is called the ohm, abbreviated as O. Think of resistance like a pipe that resists water flow. The ohm measures how much a material resists the flow of electric current. In terms of physics, 1 ohm equals 1 volt per ampere. So if you have a voltage of 1 volt across a resistor and a current of 1 ampere,